Our placement assistance. Our placements for trained students involve a structured process that includes networking, placement team engagement, and tailored support for individual students. Let us discuss how we effectively provide placements for trained students. Industry connections. We have built and maintained relationships with a diverse network of clients across various industries. We attend industry events, conferences, and networking functions to connect with potential clients and understand their hiring needs. Tailored training programs on industry demands. We have designed training programs that align with the current and future needs of industries. We stay updated on industry trends, skill requirements, and emerging technologies to ensure that students are equipped with relevant and in-demand skills. Work on real-time projects. We provide opportunities for students to gain practical experience. Work closely with projects to gain meaningful learning experiences that contribute to students' professional development. Job placement assistance. We offer personalized job placement assistance to students, including resume writing support and interview preparation workshops. Connect students with job openings and facilitate introductions to potential employers. Feedback and continuous improvement. Team collect feedback from students and clients to improve our placement services. Regularly team review and update our placement strategies based on feedback and changing industry needs. Implementing a strategic approach to our placement services, we have effectively placed 85% of trained students in securing meaningful employment opportunities in their chosen field. Thank you. For more information, call us now.